Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for dropping by today. It's Saturday the 19th of February and it's around 3 in the afternoon, and if you look at the sky, how nice and blue it is, if you look over there and you can see the sun shining into the camera and it's looking pretty nice in Blackpool this afternoon. But the thing is, when I was at work mid-morning and when I was leaving work early afternoon, it was practically blizzard weather. Really heavy snow on the ground, really super duper cold. That's the biggest snowflakes I've seen for the longest time. And I got a lift home from work and the roads were pretty dangerous feeling. When I wasn't driving, I don't drive, but my friend was driving me and she was going super slow. Everybody was going super slow because the roads were so slushy and it was snowing and it was really heavy. It took us a few minutes to get all the snow off the car. So to go around all the car with a massive scraper and scrape all the snow off the roof and off the windows. And yeah, once we headed into Blackpool, the snow turned into rain, and within half an hour of that, the rain has turned into what looks like a really pleasant afternoon. And as you can see, I'm on Bloomfield Road now. I'm actually walking towards the promenade and there's virtually no wind. So after a day when the weather was so horrendous earlier on, it's pretty darn calm and nice now. So I suppose you would say that this is the calm after the storm. I did video the journey home in my friend's car. I videoed it for two reasons. Reason number one, I thought it'd be really cool to get a video of all the snow, and reason number two, should anything have happened, it would have been really handy to have camera footage of any unfortunate incidents. So yeah, been up since around 5 AM. I got up super duper early this morning, fed the cats twice, then they lied and said they hadn't been fed at all, so I fed them again. Then I had a nice bit of breakfast, a couple of cups of coffee, and then I set off for work. And came home in the snow, grabbed another coffee, waited for the weather to clear up, and now we're all caught up. I'm here and I'm on my way shopping. You can get a lovely view of the football ground on the side. Also get a view of Blackpool Tower. Looking north, just push the button, but there's nothing coming. I just push the buttons as I'm walking past anyway, and I'd take a look and see there's virtually nothing coming. But we're good. We're walking down Bloomfield now towards the prom. Not actually going on the prom, I'm going to turn the corner down Lytham Road and walk to Home Bargains. I've got to get a couple of things from there, some cat food and one or two other bits and bobs, and several things that I don't need, but I'll end up putting in the trolley anyway. This used to be a bridge years ago. The houses down there on Hyde Road, they were kind of, well, not under the bridge, but they, when you looked at Hyde Road, if you were on Hyde Road and you looked, you would just see the bridge over the top, if that makes sense. Because down there used to be a load of steps, so it's a good bit higher. The Armfield Club, that used to be the, was it the Bloomfield Bowling Club or something? Perhaps it wasn't a bowling club, I don't think. What was it called, that? Who remembers? Don't know why I thought it was called a bowling club. Oh well. Let's head on now to these traffic lights and turn down Lytham Road. That little street there is John Street. Gosh, I'm so tired today, and tomorrow is going to be a super busy day for me. I'm not working tomorrow, I've got the day off, but I've got the day off because we've got family stuff going on. So yeah, tomorrow's going to be super duper busy. But anywho, for now, going down Lytham Road towards Home Bargains. There is a bit of wind coming in now as I turn this way. When I was absolutely facing west, there wasn't really any wind, but as I turn the corner this way, yep, there is some wind. But that's okay, because I'll just turn the camera at an angle so the wind isn't blowing directly onto the lens. That street there is Moon Avenue. And you can see the football ground at the bottom of there. Got a little closed cafe there. It's a shame, because that'd look really nice if it was open. The bridge. Down here you can see there's shops and cafes and market stalls, and they're all closed for now. Most of them will probably open up again in time for Easter. As we turn to the right there, that is Bloomfield Road. You can see the football ground at the bottom, but we're just still heading down Lytham. I really only wanted to make this video just so I could show you guys the comparison of the weather, because I'm going to upload my driving video and upload this one, and it's really hard to believe that they're filmed within a couple of hours of each other. Not really any snow on the floor at all. All the snow's gone now. Look, every single bit of it's gone. Down here anyway. I'm sure there'll be some bits of snow left on some cars down some little side streets, but I don't know. Look down there, that's the Lonsdale Road. There's no snow down there. Plenty of puddles, but not really any snow. If I see any snow remains, I shall be sure to film them if I can. It's all just puddles now, so everything's gone and melted. But I've got to say, when it started snowing mid-morning, and it seemed to just carry on and on and on and on and on, I thought we were going to be in for about 5 to 10 centimetres of snow. I just thought it was going to keep coming down. That is Kirby Road. That's a very small street. And I don't know if you noticed that, but I almost tripped over the curb then, because I was looking down that little street and I wasn't watching what my feet were doing. Anyway, on that note, I am going to end this video now. So I'm going to say thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you all very soon in the next video. Goodbye.